Wyf CaityB back in the building with yet another video, and we're doing a mukbang as highly requested by y'all. So we're going to be doing some island food. Here we have some lucipi, and Auntie P is going to explain what it is.
Lucipi is the taro leaves with the lamb flaps inside, and onions, and the coconut cream, and you wrap it.
And you cook it, guys.
And you cook it.
And it comes out like delicious as delicious. And here we have some taro. You guys can see, probably too bright. Some southern fried chicken wings. Gotta have some American style in there.
Chicken wings.
Chicken wings. And we have what is it called? Filet B. What is it? Filet B, which bisupu filet B, which is peas, tomato, and corned beef. So this is the corned beef that we use. The only corned beef you should be using, guys. We have raw fish here. We're probably not gonna eat this. It's gonna be a snack. This is kikesenga. That's pretty good, guys. And we got some corn. So let's get into this mukbang, y'all. The only greens I'm gonna be eating is this and the peas.
Oh, it's so good.
Ain't nobody playing around here. I'm sort of used to having my foods on season, so I'm all Gucci. This video is dedicated to favorite Auntie Faye and is it LVG? Oh yeah, Sammy too. What?
Put it in your mouth.
Who hasn't had taro in a while? I can't remember the last time I had taro. It wasn't too long ago. The only greens you should be eating.
start talking when I feel.
Yeah.
Start talking when I feel.
This is too good to be talking, guys. Oh, Little Betty. Shout out to Little Betty, guys.
Talking to him last week. He was like, do the spicy noodle challenge. I go, really done. He goes, nah, not those noodles, there's another packet of noodles.
Trying to kill us, bro.
Trying to send it over.
And he goes, and your next video, can you do me a shout out? I go, ask Katie.
Yeah, shout out to you, Little Betty. Try this corn, y'all. Try more fish. Probably only have one spoon. You can have the rest if you want. I reckon it'll be cool as they started selling recipe and stuff here. Good recipe. Because you guys are missing out big time. Try this chicken. Oh, nice and crunchy, I guess.
Finish.
Still got a bit left, y'all.
Just puts one.
Happy Samoan Language Week, guys. Today is our day. This week is our week. I'm gonna save this for later, but I know someone's gonna eat it. So I'm just gonna shove it down now.
Hey, ooh.
And some curry? Yeah.
Each husband's one.
Why is it so white?
It just slides off the bread, right? It's just the leaves left, do you understand?
It's just the leaves left. I'm not gonna finish it. A little butter.
Take the whole spoon and eat it.
Mama, feel. Cause I had a sandwich earlier.
Guys, my stomach is full to the food, like to the rib. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this mukbang. Yeah, oh, also thank you to all my new subscribers, especially those that came from the Tinania family. Shout out to the Tinania family for helping us out with subscribers and shouting my channel out. But yeah, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel. Don't forget to comment down below what you want me to work on, what you thought about this video, and what you enjoyed too. See you in the next video. So fast, like,